Okay, the answers that you should have gotten for the last questions are x equals 10 and x equals 15. If you got one wrong, just make a note. We can go over it on Monday, okay? The next kind of equation we are doing are two-step equations, okay? Two-step equations. I'm not writing the steps down because they should be in your notes from before. So the first two-step equation we are going to do, I'm going to number them again, is 2x plus 7 equals 9, okay? Again, we always start by drawing our line, all right? And what we do here is, and I might write this out on the side, is we always undo the addition or the subtraction first, and then we undo the multiplication or the division second, okay? So if I look here, my variable is right here, and there's two numbers that are with it, right? My variable can't quarantine. There's two numbers with it. We got to get rid of them. Now, how do I pick which number to get rid of? Well, I need to undo the addition or the subtraction first. So I look at this and I see that the 7 is the one that's being added. So that's who I'm going to get rid of first. So I'm going to do the opposite of adding 7, which is taking 7 away. And anything I do on one side, I do to the other. And when I do that, let's see what we are left with. Okay. On the left side, I have 2x's still left over, and the 7's go away because they become 0. Equals 9 minus 7 is 2. Done. But this is a two-step equation, right? I did one step, I need to do a second step. And so the second step is undoing the multiplication or the division. So 2x means multiplying by 2. So I need to do the opposite, which is dividing by 2 on both sides, okay? 2 divided by 2 here is 1, and I still have my x, equals 2 divided by 2, which is also 1. Now my x doesn't look like it's isolated, but remember, it's an invisible 1 on this side. So really, x equals 1 is my answer. Okay, let's do another one right here, number 2. This one is going to be -5 plus 3x equals -2. All right, draw a line right here. Okay, and again, we are undoing the addition or the subtraction first. My variable is right here. Now it looks like, wait, isn't 3x being added? But remember, 3x means multiplying. So this is a -5 or a -5. That's the number I'm getting rid of first. Opposite of -5, +5. Okay? Y'all better be copying this down on your paper because I know I'm not staying up at 5:53 p.m. on a Friday or Thursday night for you not to do nothing. Okay? So my -5 and my +5 becomes 0, canceled. I have 3x left over, equals -2 plus 5 is 3. Okay? Now I'm not done. I need a second step, right? I added 5. That was my first step. My second step is to get rid of that 3. 3x means 3 times x. So the opposite of times is division. Let's see what that leaves us with. So I have 3 divided by 3, which is 1, x equals 3 divided by 3, which is 1. And again, this coefficient is invisible. So I have x equals 1 again as my answer. So the two practice problems you guys are going to do are going to be 5x plus 10 equals 75. And you are going to do x over 4 minus 6 equals 7. Number 4 is a tricky one. I want to see if you guys can figure it out, okay? So go ahead, do these problems. On the next slide, make sure you type in the answer that you got.